Hey, what is up, guys? In this video, I will show you guys how to transfer money from Chase to Venmo easily. Before we continue, please make sure that you've liked this video and subscribed to my channel. Now let's get started. First, open the Chase Bank app and make sure that you've logged in your account. Then click at Pay and Transfer. After that, click at Transfer. Now click here. After that, you will see this interface. Here, you will need to select which bank you're transferring money. To select a bank, you can either search the bank's name or just add the bank account manually. In this case, the easiest way would be to search the bank by its name. Click at Search and type in Venmo. You will be brought to a page where you need to add your Venmo account by providing the credentials. Now, after adding your Venmo account, you will need to put in the amount you want to transfer. Then just click Transfer and your money will be transferred to your Venmo account shortly. That's it. Thanks for watching.